The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today. It's actually the only solution that helps you build business credit through your EIN number that's not linked to your personal Social Security number, as well as obtaining all types of financing through business loans and credit lines through over 1,000 lenders in every legitimate funding program, all in one place. The Finance Suite makes it easy to build business credit through our 7-step business credit builder. And this system is designed to take years of business credit building and condense it down to only months. And it gets started right here in step 1 with business credibility. More than likely, you've applied for credit cards before, or you've received an automated immediate approval. And this is because lenders and credit issuers have a secret set of standards that you must meet to get approved. If you meet those standards, you can receive these automated immediate approvals. But if you don't meet those standards, you'll end up getting denied. With step 1, we're just decoding these secret sets of standards that the lenders and credit issuers have so that you can meet their criteria before you even apply. So every aspect of your business we cover in step 1, make sure it meets these standards. So again, you'll know you'll meet qualification requirements before you even fill out the credit or loan application. So if you already have an existing business, then it's easy to navigate through our step 1 by simply clicking yes to things like if you have a business name, entering your business name, and clicking save and continue to the next step. If you don't already have your business established, the Finance Suite makes it very simple to go through and set up every aspect of your business to meet those legitimacy standards that lenders and credit issuers have. For example, you're able to access the Secretary of State records to see if the business entity that you like is available. You're able to come in and access high-risk industries where underwriters may automatically decline you just because of the SIC industry code that you choose or the business name that you select. You're also able to come in and watch short videos with tips, tactics, and tools that will help you along the way in every step as you navigate the Finance Suite. Now, the Finance Suite is mobile friendly, so on any mobile device, you can use the Finance Suite. And it's also available in English and Spanish by simply selecting the proper language options on the bottom of each page. So as you navigate through step 1, we're helping you set up your business name to meet lendability standards. We're helping you come in and set up your business address, your entity to make sure that you meet lenders and credit issuers requirements. For example, certain addresses such as PO boxes or UPS addresses can get you automatically declined. If you don't have a phone number or a fax number set up, or your phone number is not listed with 411, you can get denied. But you can't go to 411.com to just list your own number. It's usually picked up organically by Google in time, but through our Finance Suite, you can simply select yes, you would like to add your number to the 411 directory, and we pay the $360 a year to make sure that it gets done for you. This again takes what could take years to accomplish, and it condenses it down to only months. And we help you pick the right entity to separate personal and business liability, help you set up your website and email to meet credibility standards that credit issuers have. Get your EIN number, any licenses that you may need, and set up your bank accounts to get bank records. Going over every question that you will be asked by lenders and creditors, we are making sure that you meet the criteria that they have so that you can move forward and know you have the confidence to meet the requirements to get approved. Once we set you up with your business credibility, we move on to step 2, where we help you get set up with all 3 of the major business credit reporting agencies, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. You can actually have credit reports populated before you may even know it. As a matter of fact, Experian and Equifax will populate credit reports for your business even if you have no credit, and it will automatically give you a failing score because you don't have any credit. So first thing we need to do is check to make sure that Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet have or don't have information about your business and what information they do have. In one click, you're able to access reporting agencies, enter your business information, and see what information they know about your business now. You're also able to come in and get set up with Dun & Bradstreet, including setting up your DUNS number. If you speak with Dun & Bradstreet on the phone, you know that it can cost you thousands of dollars to set up your business and activate your credit profile and get your DUNS number. But right here in step 2, We're helping you get your DUNS number, helping you get set up with all your reporting agencies, including Dun & Bradstreet, and you will also be activating your credit profile in the next step. Speaking of the next step, once you've gotten set up with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, the next step is to start building real business credit. This is done through accounts called vendor accounts. And vendor accounts are accounts that will report to the business credit reporting agencies, but accounts that will approve you for credit even if you have no prior credit reporting now. For every source we list, you will see where the source is actually reporting to, a description of the product and services that the source provides, and the actual underwriting requirements to get approved. By having a relationship with the underwriters for all of these sources, we help take years of business credit building and condense it down to only months by only exposing you to the sources you can get approved for in each step along the way. We even gray out sources you can't qualify for and bank them in orange if you can qualify to give you one more indicator that you meet the requirements before you apply. Once you start to obtain vendor accounts, gotten approved, use the account, and paid the bill, they're going to start to report on your business credit reports. So the next step in the process is to get you set up to actually access your business credit reports so you can see your new accounts reporting. Once these accounts report that, it will give you an established credit profile, established credit score, and that will be the foundation to moving towards revolving credit in the future steps that you will soon see. Through step 4, you'll be able to set up credit monitoring to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian direct from the website. Now, typically, Experian and Dun & Bradstreet will charge you $200 to $210 a month just to set up your credit monitoring, but through the Finance Suite, through the credit monitoring section, or through the credit report dashboard, you're able to get reports for only $24 through our NAV integration. This integration gives you all the information you need from Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, including your Paydex score with Dun & Bradstreet, your IntelliScore with Experian, and all the summary data of your business payments, and any public record information. It will even give you detailed breakdowns of all the accounts you have reporting, payment history, public filings, and you can even set up alerts on your profile. The same with Experian. You'll be able to monitor your scores, the summary, and overview information about your business, as well as accessing all of your account data, showing all of your payment history. And again, instead of spending $200 a month or more to do so, you can do so for only $24 a month, and it saves you over 90% on credit monitoring or over $2,200 a year. Once the accounts you've obtained start to report on these business credit reports, and you've made sure that there are no inaccurate information on your report, you're able to move to the next step. Now, if you do find an inaccurate information on your credit report, then in step 4, we make it very simple for you to come in and dispute that information with all 3 of the reporting agencies. Now, you're not alone in this process. Our certified business advisors help you through every step of the process when you're building your business credit. These advisors have worked with over 10,000 businesses, helping them establish and set up business credit so they will hold your hand and help you along the way. And not just being available by you calling, emailing, or clicking help to ask to speak to them, but also by proactively reaching out to you to help coach you through the process. Again, this is just one more way the Finance Suite helps take years of business credit and condenses it down to only months. Once accounts start to report on your business credit reports, now it's time to start getting approved for revolving credit. This is credit with mostly major retailers that you can get, again, without a personal credit check or without a personal guarantee. Whether it's a gas station, whether it's safety companies, whether it's a grocery store, Amazon, Staples, Lowe's, Macy's, they're all available in your Finance Suite. And again, every source will tell you a list of where the source reports to and give you the actual underwriting requirements, so you'll know you meet those requirements before you even apply. This information, again, is one more way that we condense the credit building process to help you get high limit accounts of 10, 20, 30, 40, even 50,000 very quickly through your Finance Suite. As you navigate through the steps, you'll be able to obtain more and more credit. The more accounts you get that report on your business credit reports. And again, you'll be able to qualify for all these accounts without a personal guarantee or a personal credit check. And the requirements to do so is listed with each and every source, whether it be Walmart or Amazon, Lowe's, BP, Chevron, Sunoco, all these sources, whether it be Sam's Club, Costco, are all available through your finance suite. Most major retailers offer business credit, and the finance suite makes it easy to obtain this financing, even including auto vehicle financing, even cash credit cards, including Visa and MasterCards that you can use anywhere. Again, all of this credit is available without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check for all of the major sources that we will give you. This type of business credit is all available in the finance suite, and you can even click on apply right from the finance suite as you're building business credit. You're probably also going to want to access all of the financing that you can get approved for as well, which includes loans and credit lines for conventional banks such as SBA loans to alternative lenders, even private investors. The finance suite takes the scope of thousands of lending sources and even legitimate funding programs and puts it in one place and gives you access to a whole team of people, including finance processors and finance officers that will help you understand each product, develop a finance blueprint, and show you all the funding you can qualify for now. And will go through and help you with every aspect of getting the loan, even working with the lenders to finance the source directly, all the way through the process of the money getting into your bank account. We even use the volume of funding that we go through to get you discounts, to get you better terms than you're even able to get on your own. The finance suite has a lot of different funding available for you based on your business strengths. So if you have business strength, that is, maybe you have good personal credit, then you're able to come in and get up to $150,000 of unsecured business credit line, even as a startup that doesn't have any revenue or collateral qualifications. These credit lines provide 0% interest rates for 6 to 18 months. They report to the Business Credit Reporting Agency to help you build your business credit. At the same time, you can use your personal credit or that of a guarantor to actually get approved. And you can actually take the cash out on these cards, giving you the benefit of 0% and being able to take the cash out. If your strength is that you have something like consistent revenue, then you can qualify for financing such as revenue financing. And with the revenue financing, you can get approved regardless of personal credit quality. As a matter of fact, you can even receive your funding within 72 hours or less. Maybe your strength is that you have something like collateral, such as accounts receivable, 401k, purchase orders, securities, such as IRAs, stocks, or bonds. Maybe you want to buy equipment or already have equipment. Or maybe you're looking to buy inventory or already have inventory. This type of financing, if you have collateral or assets, is available to you, regardless of personal credit quality and regardless of business credit. That gives you more options with your financing with rates as low as 1 to 2%. In most cases, this kind of asset-based financing is available at rates of 5% or less. As you continue to grow your business, your financing options grow as well, even getting you access to private equity finance through private investors, getting you access to financing through other alternative lenders. So for example, if you have two forms of strength, such as having tax returns that show profit and good credit, that opens up options like longer term loans and lines of credit for you. You have the ability to actually come in and access SBA loans if you have cash flow credit and collateral. And there's all kinds of new age financing in here as well, including artificial intelligence driven funding products that help you get immediate approval, some of which will give you access to things like credit lines without even having a credit check. So as you can see, the finance suite really is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today, and combines the ability of helping you build business credit to your EIN that's not linked to your social security number, of which will help you get the best term on loans and credit lines, get approved with the most amount of money, and the difference between getting approved or getting denied. Business credit also helps you obtain high limit accounts of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 very quickly, whether you can or can't qualify for financing. Even if you can qualify for financing, the Finance Suite gives you access to every legitimate funding program all in one place, helping you qualify for even more money and helping you get the best terms. And the finance team will develop that finance blueprint to help you qualify for all the money you can get now and lay out a plan for you to get even more money in the future as well. Plus, the Finance Suite has extra added benefits, including business valuation, If you ever wondered how much your business is worth, you can find out at no cost through our integration directly through Biz Equity. By entering basic information, including your financial data, into the Finance Suite, you can actually see in real time exactly how much your business is worth. And this information changes through time. You can simply come in and enter new information, and an estimate of what your business is worth will change at any time. This way, you can keep an eye on the growth and value of your business as you continue to take the capital that you are getting from the Finance Suite and use it to build your business credit, using it to obtain financing and using it to obtain and grow the actual business. The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today, helping you build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number, helping you access all types of legitimate business funding in one place, and even helping you keep an eye on the value of your business as it continues to grow. Talk to us today to learn more about this solution and how it can help you quickly and easily obtain capital for your business, even if you can't qualify for conventional bank loans, especially if you want to get the best rates and terms on the financing you do get from the banks, as well as building your business credit easily, step by step, through our Finance Suite and Business Credit Builder.